Dear students, very good morning to all of you. Welcome you back to English language class. Today we'll proceed further with passive voice, and today we'll discuss formation of passive voice. Okay, from active voice or vice versa. Let's see here. First of all, you know very well, in order to make passive, verb must be positive. Verb must be transitive one. Okay? And what is transitive one? The verb has object. Okay? If the verb has more than one object, then any of the objects can be taken at the beginning of the sentence. And how to find out object? Just ask question by what. If you don't get any answer after asking question by what, then ask by whom. Okay? So whatever answer you will get, that will be object. He plants a tree every month. Okay? So ask the question, what does he plant? Of course, answer is a tree. Okay? Now second thing is there, you have to know the tense. And different tense has different rules for formation in passive. So first let's discuss now. Present simple tense is RM plus V3. Okay. In simple past tense, was, were plus V3. And when there is a future simple, it means will or shall, that is modal verb. So not only after will or shall, but any other modal verb, please add be. After modal verb, then V3. This is all we have already done in class 9. So you are well acquainted with. Okay? See here, as example I gave you, he plants a tree every month. So a tree is planted by him every month. So he planted a tree last month. So a tree was planted by him last month. Was or were you will use. And when future simple, he will plant a tree next month. So a tree will be planted by him next month. Present. This was present simple tense, past simple tense, and future simple tense. When now come to continuous tense, means present continuous. Okay. So is RM plus being, then plus V3. He is reading a story now. What is he reading? Of course, a story. So a story is, you have to choose among is RM. So a story is being read. Read. Story is being read by him now. Okay. If this is past continuous, then only was, were plus being plus V3. So he was reading a story when I called him. So a story was being read by him when I called him. Now, and when if there is future continuous tense, then please use the construction of future simple tense only. Okay. I'll be sending the email tomorrow. I'll be sending an email tomorrow. So an email will be sent by me tomorrow. Okay. Now come to perfect tense. So here has present perfect tense. Has, have plus been plus V3. If it is past perfect tense, had plus been plus V3, and in future perfect tense, will or shall plus have plus been plus V3. Okay. So after have, we are using been, then V3. Okay. I give you example. I have already sent the email. The email has already been sent by me. The email has already been sent by me. Now past perfect tense. I had already sent the email when he called me. So the email had already been sent by me when he called me. Okay. Now it is future perfect. Then I will have completed the project by next year. So the project will have been completed by me by the next year. Okay. But sometime we don't use by plus objective form of subject. When do you know? Well, of course, when you are not very clear about the doer of an action. First thing. And number two, when it's very common. Okay, anybody can guess who is the doer of an action. Then also please don't use by plus objective form of subject. Okay. So there are two cases then. If doer of an action is not clear, means not certain. The second, when it can be understood by common sense and you don't want to mention it. So please don't use by plus objective form of subject. For example, I give you, someone is stealing sugar from my kitchen nowadays. You don't know who is stealing. So here by someone cannot be said. Yeah. Sugar is being stolen nowadays. Okay, from my kitchen. Okay. Now, and the example I give you, computer is taught in all schools nowadays. So yeah, by teachers you cannot say, because from common sense you can guess who is the doer of an action. Of course, teacher. So by teacher cannot be said. Okay. Now, let me give you some special rules. You see here. If you find infinitive, what is infinitive? Is 2 plus V1. Okay. To go, to read, to play. This is infinitive. So just what you do, use is or are or am, was, were plus, okay, V3. Okay. I am to do this work now. I am to do this work now. See here, this is to be, see here, is to be done by me now. Okay. One more special but confusing, and it must be cleared by all of you. That is, see here, that is called quasi-passive. Construction looks like active, but actual meaning is in passive. So quasi means partial, means not completely, but partial. Means half, you can say. Means some part. See here, rose smells sweet. See here, construction looks like active, but actual sense, see here, rose. Rose cannot be. How can rose smell? Okay? So rose cannot be doer of an action. We people, we human being can smell rose. So actual meaning, if you see, actual sense is of passive. So this is called quasi-passive. This mango tastes sweet. Same thing is there. The surface feels smooth. The rose is, how to do it, how to make it passive. See here. Rose is sweet when it is smelt. This is passive. Okay. The surface feels smooth. The surface feels smooth when it is touched. Okay. One more and very important rules. If you find people say, people hope, people fear, in passive it will change into it is hoped, it is feared, it is said. Okay, people say that he is a thief. So it is said that he is a thief. It is said that he is a thief. Okay. People hope that he will come. So it is hoped. By people is not necessary. It is, means is not required, don't need to use. So it is hoped that he will come. That's it. Let's come another form. That is imperative sentence. So in imperative sentence, see here. Come here. Verb should be added by your own side. Okay? Added from your own side. See here. Come here. You have to see the sense. You are ordered to come here. If it is please, then you are requested to come here. Second, see, let's sorry. Let's help the man. See here. Here there is suggestion or proposal. So let the man, use here, be helped by us. Okay. Let the man be helped by us. Let the man be helped by us. Or the man must be helped by us. It also can be said. Or Now, if you find should have, could have, might have, may have, then please use been plus V3. Especially this construction you find in a conditional sentence, you know very well. As an email, okay. See here, an email should have been sent by you yesterday only. Okay, means you should have sent the email yesterday only. You should have, could have, would have, then plus been, then V3. Okay. He would have helped you if you came, or if you had come. So here, you would have been helped by him if you had come. Okay. So hope now you all have got the thing. And now you will do the assignment as homework. And please do only 1 to 8. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you very much. Ciao.